Saprotrophic, this will be Paracoccus, it's a bacteria. I would just first read the saprotrophic, the mode of nutrition. What is that saprotrophic nutrition? The mode of nutrition in which organisms break down the complex organic compounds. Very carefully listen to me first. Breakdown of the complex organic compounds of dead organisms or organic compounds. Do not write breakdown of organisms. Very cautiously think about that. Breakdown of complex organic compounds of dead organisms or organic compounds. Please write it. So these are the things we should. So saprotrophic nutrition is this. Examples are vital. Examples already mentioned, Paracoccus denitrificans. If you have heard about it or read the nitrogen cycle, nitrogen is liberated from the dead organisms after their passing or from their different other sources. So that time nitrogen is coming back to the atmosphere once again, and for that Paracoccus is helpful. So name is denitrification for that also. Saprotrophs, the name of the origin of this name, you can derive it from the Greek word sapros, that rotten, and trophos, a feeder. These are also known as decomposers, reducers, and especially they are mentioned as decomposers. Questions are coming, who are the decomposers? Choose it from the following group of examples. So you have to choose that, and sometimes they are in the pairs. In one pair you will find one is autotroph, another is saprotroph. So you should reject that. Sometimes it is, they said from the group, both of them are saprotroph. Then you have to identify where is that a type of examples are given. So these are now Penicillium, Pseudomonas. In name Pseudomonas, P is silent. P will be silent like pneumonia, but in writing you have to write it. So Penicillium, Pseudomonas, Paracoccus, all are saprotrophs. These are very important. All are important in any ecosystem, but these are also making things available to the autotrophs once more. Otherwise, this should be only collected in the organism's body, cannot be available for the autotrophs to generate foodstuffs once more, or for other organisms also to collect it for their development and growth of the body. So saprotrophic nutrition, some examples, and to remember that, quickly try to write, quickly see once again I have shown you, and try to quickly write, quick enough. Those who are writing little slow, please write in your home quickly, and other classes too in the school. That's why you can write fast in exam also. So saprotrophic nutrition, now we will pass very common example. I think everybody knows this one as mushroom, agaricus. Agaricus, generally we are sometimes very familiar with, there are several edible mushroom. Generally people used to eat it. Edible mushroom in India we are having very common, the left side one, which is known as Agaricus bisporus or bisporus, and the Japanese people used to take up. So bisporus, Agaricus bisporus is the left side, and the right side common Japanese edible mushroom. So many people are fond of eating mushroom. So there are several types, all are not edible. There are some are having toxic elements, so we should avoid them. So edible fungi, questions are also asked. Among the following fungi, who are edible? Please note if there is a Agaricus bisporus is there or not. Agaricus bisporus must be there. Just to note a few fungi, I would like to show you some examples, fungi, different types of fungi. How do they look like? Red-capped Then yellow-capped sulfur-like, many are there. I would like to show you several of them, only check it how several types are there. So fly agaric, then sulfur tuft, several types of fungi are there. No need to write, only just check how are they looking like, how are they. Then these are Rusula, and then wax cap. Many colored varieties are there, nice to look at, and several are there. So fungi are there, many of them are having different types of modes. We only talked about first parasitic, and then coming to the saprotrophic. Now another one is oyster mushroom, common oyster mushroom. And some are common oyster mushroom, those are having oyster-like structure. So try to see if we are getting the common oyster mushroom, left side, then right side is star-shaped. So common oyster mushroom, and then right side is star-shaped, so they are having common name as star fungus. All are available in India, and sometimes they're used for food, star fungus. And another one, this is, I think, if you can see it, I would like to know the name from you. So the name of this one, how to identify also, that is important. This is yeast. Yeast is a single-celled fungus. Also remember, yeast is single-celled fungus, saprotrophic in nature. So when from one cell another cell is coming out like bud, after that maturation they will detach from the mother, and they can live independently. After detachment, you can find this type of scars or some sort of notch here. Yeast is single-celled fungus. Please write it down. This is coming in our exams many times. Name one single-cell fungus where you find saprotrophic nutrition. It is coming from a different angle, very specific. So yeast is a single-cell fungus having saprotrophic nutrition. Remember this one. So yeast. Now when yeast, I would like to see another question. So here also the left side is yeast. And when yeast is infecting grapes, I think your place having grapes plants more. When yeast infected grapes, you will find some watery part is coming up outside the fruits. So you can understand there may be some infection, and that may be caused by yeast. So yeast infected grapes will look like having some watery droplets outside. Yeast is doing this one. Now those who were fond of talking about penicillium earlier time, now check this one, how to identify penicillium now. So this is our left side penicillium having broomstick-like top. So this should be known as penicillium. Under microscope we will find this. And here right side, when penicillium infected orange or lemon or like that, sometimes if you have kept lemon for a few days, maybe 1 to 3 4 days also, so you will find some green patches are coming up or white patches are coming up, then you may be sure enough that these are infected by the penicillium. So penicillium is looking like that, but penicillium not only infecting one thing, but penicillium having very crucial thing. They can produce one medicine, help in production of medicine. What is the name of that antibiotic which is drawn from penicillium? Anyone? So the name of the antibiotic is penicillin, which is available in penicillium. Now check with other examples. We are talking about that saprotrophic nutrition in, I would like to show you one angiosperm, means flowering plant, Monotropa. This is also a very peculiar example generally asked. Give one flowering plant where we find saprotrophic nutrition. Generally plants are having autotrophic nutrition, but that's why we also talked about earlier insectivorous also. So here one is here as saprotrophic. So by rotting things, they can draw nourishment. Monotropa and angiosperm, very beautiful flowers are coming up. Now